What's up everyone? Les Alex, back with another video. It's gonna be, as you probably read, Yeezy unboxing. Cue the intro. Alright, so I know there are probably a bunch of Yeezy unboxing videos out there, but my story of how I actually obtained these is kind of funny. This is a sneaker that ever since the first time I saw it on someone's feet, I knew I had to have it. Back in the day when they very first released, they were like close to $2,000 resale. And I ain't got that kind of bread, so I wasn't trying to spend that much money on it. The re-release happened, took a bunch of L's. Again, the resale came down a little bit, but wasn't willing to pay those resale prices. Second time it was gonna re-release, I knew that I had to try and get these somehow. So that brings us to how I actually ended up getting them. I, of course, entered raffles on the foot apps, L's on both of those. And then I waited on Adidas.com the day it released for about an hour, 15 minutes. It was so heartbreaking because the 4s went, the 14s went, and then the 13, the 5s, and it started to get swallowed up. I wear a 9.5 in Yeezys, kind of just all swirled together like a wave, and it crushed me. Sold out. Another L. I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna try and go into Foot Locker. I heard that these are gonna be in wide release. Maybe I can get my hands on a 9.5. I get there, not too much verbal communication between me and the Foot Locker employee. I kind of just pointed to him. She said, you got a ticket? Pause. I was like, man, all right, they're only doing the tickets. They're not doing first come, first serve. And then she said, or do you want to lose? Yes, 9.5. All right, let me go check. So my head was filled with hope again. She came out, she said, well, I don't have a 9.5, damn, but I do have a 9 and a 10. Let me try on the 9, because I'm usually a 9. In most shoes, I'm a 9. But I know with the Yeezys, they do run a little bit big. I want to get a 9.5. I tried on the 9s, and it was really funny too, because she had a piece of paper that she set on the ground. She said, don't look at me funny. You have to try them on top of the paper. The shoes can't touch the floor. And I guess I'm not supposed to let you try on Yeezys like that. I tried them on, it was super snug, like in the toe box area. Like, nah, I'm good. Try on the 10s, and I'm super sketched out. I'm not a 10 in any shoe. I try them on, and again, they're a little snug, but the fit feels right. So there was a guy there that was getting his from his ticket. He was picking up a 9.5. Like, I know they run a half size big, but like when the prime knit starts to wear in, they retain their fit. He's like, yeah, they'll break down a little bit, but you should be good getting a 10. Big shout out to him. I didn't catch his name, but if you watch this video, probably never gonna watch this video, but appreciate the info. I got them. I'm super stoked. Anyway, what you all came for, let's open them up. Here's the 350 box with the boost on the side, the Kanye, the size 10. Here they are. Bang. The Adidas 350 Yeezy Zebra. All right, hit that thumbnail. All right. So yeah, this is them. They got the prime knit upper, but this is my favorite colorway of the V2s. It's just, you can wear it with so many things and draw attention like almost no other shoe out there. And yeah, I mean, they're just clean. I do really like the breads too, but these are just so clean. They grab that eye, you know? You can't help but look at someone's feet when they're wearing these. And Boost is so comfortable. They are super comfortable. Big shout out to Kanye too, because he said eventually we're gonna get it to where everybody that wants a Yeezy will have a Yeezy. Is the hype of Yeezy dying off? Let me know in the comment section below if you think the hype of Yeezys are dying off. I definitely think so, especially in this colorway. Well, this is the third release of it. I definitely think for this specific model, the hype is dying, but hype beasts are kind of going for off-white now. Those are dope shoes, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. For somebody that wears their kicks, I'm gonna wear the living dog shit out of these. I'm super excited to actually have them. Do you think Yeezy hype is dead? Talk about it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button. If you want to check out my last video, it'll be up there somewhere. Top 5 sneakers. Just the essentials everybody should have. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.